Hi friends, in this problem, some saplings have to be planted by the side of a straight road. They are to be planted in a straight line with the distance interval of 10 meters. That means the distance between two saplings is 10 meters, right? Forester can carry only one sapling at a time. He covers a total distance of 1.32 kilometers while planting. So that means first he will take this, he will plant it here. He will take then he will take this and plant it here. He will come back. He will pick a third one and goes here, plant it, comes back. He will pick a fourth one and goes here, plants it, comes back. He will pick a fifth one and goes here, plants it likewise. Now, in this way, if total distance he covered, that means going forward, coming backward, all together is 1.32 kilometers, and he ends at the starting point. That means he came here. Now, what is the total number of samplings that he planted? This is actually very simple. If you see the first sampling to plant first sampling, he doesn't need to travel in. Right, because that is right where it is, where the entire set is. So then for first sampling, he doesn't need to travel. For second sampling, he has to travel 10 meters and come back. Right, total 20 meters. He has to travel for the second sample. For the third sample, he has to cover 10 plus 10, 20 and come back another 20 to total 40. For the fourth sample, he has to cover forward 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus backward 30, 60. Right. For the second one, he is covering 20 meters. For the third one, he is covering 40 meters. For the fourth one, he is covering 60 meters. For the fifth one, he is covering 80 meters. Like this. For the nth one, he will cover n minus 1 into 20. Right. 4 minus 1 into 20 is 60. Similarly, n minus 1 into 20 he will cover. Now, total distance he has covered, that is 20 plus 40 plus 60 plus whatever, is 1320. Right. So, how many terms are, let's start with 0. 0 plus 20 plus 40 plus up to n terms. N terms means n plants. Right. N samplings. For 0, it is 0. For 1, for 1 it is 0 for the first sampling. For 2 it is 20. For 3 it is what, for whatever. What is this n? What is this n? So that the total of this is 3020. We know this is an arithmetic progression now. The difference is b, and what is this n that we have to find out. A is starting is 0. Right, n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 1320. 2a means 0 only because a is 0. And we have to find out what is this n minus 1 d. N by 2 into n minus 1 and d is 20 equals 1320. This 2 will go 10 times, this 10 will go, this 0 will go. N into n minus 1 is 132. We know what is 132? It is 12 11s, right? 120 plus 12 is 132. That means n is 12. Means he's planting 12 samplings. He's planting 12 samplings. Then he would have covered a total distance of 1320 and came back to the starting point. Right, guys? This is such a simple problem. We just need to identify that this is an arithmetic progression. That's it. Thank you.